Welcome to NPM Tech. Mobile homes you haven't seen before. Deathlifts E.Home Motorhome. Deathlifts was the first well-known manufacturer to present a study on an all-electric motorhome at the Caravan Salon 2017. After all, one thing is for sure, electric drives are coming for motorhomes. But it will mean more than just placing an electrically powered chassis under the current vehicle body. Converting to an all-electric powertrain creates new challenges and opportunities for the entire vehicle concept, including, and above all, in the interior. Converting to an all-electric powertrain also creates new challenges and opportunities for the entire vehicle concept. At the same time, it involves totally new technology that will essentially change the quality of life and safety for future generations of motorhome owners. Naus Azur. The Naus Azur impresses in every way. The Azur leaves everybody in envy once you've seen it. The extraordinary furniture construction and the stylish interior and cocooning design make the Azur a real dream home. Inside and out, it impresses with its unique, dynamic light signature. Let's not forget about its special feature, the self-healing fiber frame. Yes, you've heard it here. The frame of the Caravan is self-healing, which removes small scratches and scrapes from the exterior of the van just by the use of its advanced technology. This certainly exceeds all boundaries of caravan. 4 to 6 berth, MTPLM from 1,500 kilograms, payload range, 151 to 193 kilograms, length range, 698 centimeters to 758 centimeters. Pleasureway Entour 2.2. Built on the Ford Transit 350 chassis, the Entour 2.2 benefits from the fuel-efficient 3.5 liters EcoBoost V6 engine and 10-speed select shift transmission, a powerful combination suited for any road trip. At just under 22 feet in length, the Entour 2.2 showcases the largest bathroom, most headroom and longest bed in our Class B lineup. The interior surrounds you in sophistication thanks to the LED lighting, solid maple cabinetry, ultra-leather seating and memory foam sofa cushions. A 5.5 cubic foot 12 volts refrigerator, dual 100Ah lithium coach batteries and 300 watts of solar are a few of the standard features designed for convenient living. Plan your escape and hit the road in the well-equipped Entour 2.2. Maxus V90. In March 2019, news of the patent about the Chinese company Shanghai Automotive Industry Corporation launching a new commercial vehicle model called the V90 under the Maxus brand broke out, and the Maxus V90 was later launched during the 2019 Shanghai Auto Show. Maxus was set up following its acquisition of the intellectual property of LDV in 2010, and the first model of Maxus is the predecessor of the V90, the V80, which is a rebadged LDV Maxus. The LDV Maxus model was relaunched by SAIC as the V80 in June 2011. At launch, the price range of the Maxus V90 ranges from 150,000 yuan to 290,000 yuan. The Maxus V90 is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine producing 150 horsepower and 375 Nm and fulfilling the national standard by emission standard of China. SLR-V Commander 8x8 2-story. One of the biggest builds on the planet, the SLR-V Commander 8x8 is taking to the sky. The build features a second-story design, with a solid lift-up roof design. The build is a custom solution for a family of 8. The upper level has 6 beds for the kids, while downstairs has a separate bedroom for the parents. Full ensuite, huge galley kitchen and lounge for 8 to 10 people. It also has a spare electric lift-up bed for 2 guests. The build is one of the most technically advanced ever undertaken, with a groundbreaking electrical system to boot. Thank you, and don't forget subscribe, like and share.